Hello students, today we will discuss chapter 3rd of computer science, which is MS Excel 2010 and its advanced features. So let's begin the chapter. Some of the important features provided by MS Excel 2010 are as follows. So here we are going to discuss some advanced features which MS Excel provides us. So its first advanced feature is cell reference. Cell reference identifies the location of a cell or group of cells in the spreadsheet. Cell reference is also known as cell address. A cell reference consists of the column letter and row number that intersect to form a cell. These references are used in formula, function, charts. सो सेल रेफरेंस किसी भी पर्टिकुलर सेल की लोकेशन को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. सेल रेफरेंस कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ टू थिंग्स. फर्स्ट वन इज़ लेटर column which defines the column, and the second one is number which defines the row of the cell. एंड यही सेल रेफरेंस यूज़ करके हम अपनी एक्सेल शीट में फंक्शंस, फार्मूला एंड चार्ट्स एक्सेट्रा को एंटर कराते हैं. उसमें हम फिक्स्ड वैल्यू एंटर कराते हैं that we want to apply the formula in which cell. So this is very important feature of Excel 2010. Our next advanced feature is sorting data in MS Excel 2010. In a spreadsheet, it is easy to maintain data as the sheet is divided into rows and columns. Data when entered in a sheet may not be arranged in an order. However, you can arrange it in either ascending or descending order. This physical rearrangement of data in ascending or descending order is called sorting. In Excel, sorting data is one of the most useful features. So किसी भी स्प्रेडशीट में डाटा एंटर करते हैं हम, तो उसमें कॉलम्स एंड रोज में डाटा को एंटर कराते हैं. एंड जब हम उस डाटा को एंटर कराते हैं तब वो अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड होता है. एंड हम डाटा को ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे में अरेंज कर सकते हैं. Or there are many types of filters which we can apply to sorting our data. We can either sort in alphabetically order or descending or ascending order. And data को rearrange करने की इस टेक्निक को sorting कहते हैं. And this is one of the most useful feature. So our next advanced feature is filtering list in MS Excel 2010. You often have to scan through rows in an Excel worksheet for some required data. It may be anything such as the name of a person or contact information. Going through all of the other available material takes time, especially if the worksheet contains hundreds or even thousands of entries. MS Excel has the answer to this problem in the form of filter. Filtering shows the data you wish to see while temporarily hiding the rest. By default, different filters you can compare data in multiple ways. Thus, filter can be defined facility in Excel that allows a user to shift items in a list according to a set criteria. You can filter text, numbers, or dates. So whenever we want to find out a specific information about anything, then we can use this feature of MS Excel 2010. In this feature हम कोई भी अपनी information find out कर सकते हैं different filters को use करके. ये filters जो required data है सिर्फ उसको show करते हैं और बाकी के data को हाइड कर देते हैं, जिससे कि हमारा जो रिक्वायर्ड डाटा है वो हमें इजीली मिल जाता है. Yes, our next feature is conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a feature in MS Excel 2010 that is used to format cells, specific colors, border, font, etc. based on a specified set of conditions. So as we are familiar with the word formatting, formatting means to change the view of the fonts, the borders, etc. So conditional formatting एक ऐसा फीचर है MS Excel 2010 में जो हम सेल्स को फॉर्मेट करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. लाइक सेल्स के बॉर्डर्स, टेक्स्ट, उनका कलर, उनका साइज, डिफरेंट थिंग्स. सो कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग जो है एक कंडीशंस के साथ भी आती है, मतलब हम डिफरेंट कंडीशंस भी इसमें अप्लाई करा सकते हैं। सो अवर नेक्स्ट एडवांस्ड फीचर इज क्रिएटिंग चार्ट्स इन एक्सेल 2010. A chart is a graphical representation of information. A chart often makes it easier to understand the data in a worksheet because users can easily pick up patterns and textures illustrated in the chart that are otherwise difficult to see. There are different types of chart that can be created easily in Excel. So this is the most important feature, I think. Charts के थ्रू हम इंफॉर्मेशन को बहुत जल्दी ग्रैस्प कर लेते हैं एंड चार्ट्स बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होते हैं किसी भी डाटा के रिप्रेजेंटेशन के लिए. सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ चार्ट दैट कैन बी इजीली created in MS Excel. Yes, the first one is column chart, which is used to shows the data changes over a period of time or illustrate comparison among items. The next one is line chart, shows trends in data at equal intervals. The next one is pie chart, shows the size of items that make up a data series proportional to the sum of the items containing only one data series. And next one is bar chart, illustrates comparisons among individual items. Next one is area chart, emphasizes the magnitude of change over time. Next one is XY chart, shows the relationships among the numeric values in several data series or plots two groups of numbers as one series of XY coordinates. Next one is stock chart, shows highs and lows in stock data. Next one is surface chart, find optimum combinations between two sets of data. Next one is donut chart, shows the relationship of parts of several sets of data, the whole. Next one is bubble chart, shows three sets of data in a graphical way. And the last one is radar chart, compares the aggregate values of a number of data series. So this is it. I hope you all get the basics of this chapter. Thank you.